Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to come this website www.gigabyte.com and this is search button, and after your search and then enter your model number of your motherboard A620M S2H and then hit enter. Then click to product A620MH. Click on support. Select your operating system, which is Windows 10 11, but in Windows 10 11 installations process same. Chipset, AMD chipset driver, and click to download. After download, just single click and then double click to exe. Then click to yes. Then it is installed and close it.